Okay, so this is a very popular problem. Now, you have to remember this. This is called an Atwood device. It's basically just a pulley with two masses. Okay, if this is heavier than that, which it is here, right? Look, M2 is greater than M1. Then this is going to go down this way, and you have that arrow there. That one is going to go up. Okay? So, what are we looking for? Let's look. We're looking for number one. How far? So, letter A is D in meters at T seconds. Okay, and then letter B is what? The tension, Ft. Okay? So, I'm going to do this very slowly. One of the other things is what does the word released mean? It means VO is equal to 0. Okay? And look, frictionless. So FF is equal to 0. Okay? So let's see. For system 1, okay, and that's this part here, right? What are our forces? It's going up, so T is bigger than the weight. So we're going to make that Ft minus M1G is equal to, the mass is M1, and then their acceleration. Okay, so that's system 1. Now we look at system 2 here. System 2. What are the forces? You have this and this. This one is bigger because it's going down. So we write that M2G, put a parenthesis there so that you don't get confused, minus Ft. This one is Ft, okay? Let's be consistent. And then it's equal to what? M2 times A. Okay? So now we have two equations. What we're going to do to solve is we're going to combine them. So, system number 1, we have this equation, Ft minus M1G is equal to M1A. Okay? From system 2, we have this equation, M2G minus Ft is equal to M2A. Okay? And then we're just going to add the two to get the overall. And when we add this plus this is positive, this is negative, they cancel. So what do we have? We have M2G minus M1G is equal to M1A plus M2A. Combining like terms, G is equal to M2 minus M1 and is equal to A times M1 plus M2. Okay? And now what we have to do is solve for A. So, A is equal to, this becomes the denominator, G M2 minus M1 all over M1 plus M2. Okay? And now what? We have to look for the D. So, what is that? D is equal to VOT plus 1/2 AT squared. This is 0 because look, it's given, right? And what do we have here? 1/2, and this whole thing is A, so write that down. G M2 minus M1 divided by m1 plus m2, okay, times t squared. Okay, so this is your first answer, right? And how about ft? Oh, you have an equation right there, right? So you can use that. ft is equal to m1a plus m1g. Okay? Questions? That looks good? Yeah. Okay.